good morning. What's up? Welcome to a new vlog. So today is Friday the 2nd of October. I saw the VLOGTOBER challenge on YouTube here, so I decided to hop on it, and I'm going to be vlogging this month. I'm going to challenge myself to vlog every week of this month. Some people are doing it like daily vlogs, but honestly I don't even have the strength to do that, so I'm going to try and vlog every week, like a few days every week, and upload every Sunday. So I'm going to be uploading a new vlog every Sunday in this month. Start vlogging today, so yeah. Hey friends, and welcome to a new vlog. I'm just going to be vlogging this weekend for you guys. Today's Friday and today's date night with my boo, so I am supposed to be getting ready by now. It's currently like 3 p.m. or so. We're supposed to be going out by 5 or 6. I just woke up from a little nap. So yeah, I'm going to shower and get my makeup. Wow, my lips look so dry. I look crusty AF. So I'm about to, exfoliate my skin, pamper myself a little bit, get moisturized and fresh and clean and all that. And I'll come back to do my makeup with you guys. I'm out of the shower. Can you see how the melanin is gleaming in the sunlight? I just exfoliated my body lightly, doing a little bit of skincare. Oh, why do my lips look so dry? For my moisturizer today, I got this sample of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Moisturizer. I got some skincare products, so I got this as a sample. I'm just going to try and press it out. Oh, it's coming out. But this is it here. Doesn't have any scent. Oh, I think I brought too much out. How can I put it inside back? Because this thing is expensive. Then I'm going to use Vaseline for my lips. Okay, so what are we doing next? Okay, for my outfit, yeah, I'm a bit confused. I don't know what to wear. I have this pink dress. Let me turn this camera so you guys can see. Okay, yeah, so this is what the dress looks like. Or this bandage dress. This one is, I don't know what color this is. Turquoise, I think. Maybe turquoise. They're both very sexy dresses. But which should I wear? Maybe I should put up a poll on my Instagram story. I think I'm going to do that. So I just put up a poll on my Insta story. The sun is like hitting my face like mad right now. I put up a poll on my Insta story so you guys can help me choose which dress to wear. And now I'm going to do my nails. I got this press-on nails from the mall. I got it from ShopRite actually. I'm going to put this on now. I don't know, this is like my first time. This is my first time wearing press-ons. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but let's try. So my nails are done. This is what they look like. Like, this is so short. I mean, I like short nails normally, but this is like super duper short. Like, okay, and it makes my fingers look short and stubby. But it's not so bad. At least it's better than just carrying my ugly nails like that. Okay, so I'm going to start doing my makeup now. Now I have to rush. Why do I look so mad? Okay, not so bad anymore. I'm going to do my brows first. I don't even know if I'm going to be doing eyeshadow. The time is running. It's running very, very fast. You guys can see, like, I started getting ready on time. I don't know what happened. Now I'm late. I'm going to just like skip through my... Let me go off camera and do my brows. Okay, I'm done with my brows now. Like, I hate rushing my makeup because my brows will always suffer. Like, I can do every other thing right, but my brows will always suffer whenever I'm rushing my makeup. So I'm going to take my foundation. Oh, I don't think I'm going to prime. I'm just going to spray my setting mist Now I'm going to set my face with some powder before I go over it with foundation. So I'm going to set it, especially my T-zone area, you know. I hate this. Why is the sun like this? And I don't think there's no other place I can actually film right now because I'm in a hurry. I'm going to take my foundation, the Figure and Nesta foundation. I put some on the back of my hands because of my brows. So I'm going to take this and just blend, 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 blend. Oh, I pray the sun just stays like this because this one has been playing hide and seek with me like men. I'm just saying, don't come for me, I'm just joking. But yeah. I'm taking the Higa and Nesta concealer as well. I think I've used this before. But I'm going to take this. I want my under eyes to be like super bright. So that's why I'm using this. Then I am going to contour. Oh, the weather should just stay like this because this is perfect. My brows look so dark. I'm going to set my face now. This is the Fenty Beauty setting powder, by the way. Why does it look like it's about to rain after that plenty sun? Ha! This is crazy. See why I say the weather is just like men, very unreliable. Because what is this? I'm going to contour my face now with this my face definer kit. And I'm going to take my face powder and set my whole face. I'm going to do blush now. See, you guys, it's literally about to rain. Is it not just crazy? This is a madness. Like, I tell you, it is a madness. Let me just blend out this concealer on my eyelids. And I'm going to take the same brown shade I used for my what do you call it, face contour, and put that in my eyes. I'm going to take my face powder and use this to blend that out. Then I'm going to take this gold shade from this Pixie palette. This is a highlighter, and I'm going to put this. I'm going to do a little liner. Let me just dust off this powder. But I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and I'll be back. My lashes are on. I don't even know where I got these lashes from anymore because I always throw the cases of my lashes away. So I'm going to use this same highlight I used on my eyes on my face. and the sun is coming back up, which I'm really grateful for. Because I want to take pictures. Let's line these lips. Spray my face first to get rid of the powdery effects. Nice gracious, I literally just bathed in this thing. Then I'm going to take this nude gloss and this nude lipstick, sorry, and apply this. I'm going to take this gloss and use this to top it off. So I'm going to, I just finished wearing my dress from the pole, the pink dress one, so I'm wearing pink today. I'm going to add this gloss to my lips. Yeah, this is glossy enough now. So wear my wig. Good to go. I'm thinking of wearing my wig in a side part. Let me show you guys what it will look like. It looks nice, doesn't it? I think this looks nice. This is what I am looking like currently. Let me show you guys my outfit. This is my dress, showing all the curves and all that. I'm going to show you guys like my full outfit pretty soon. I just need to, you know, clean this place and show you guys. Oh Jesus, oh my gosh, I look so good. Let me just show you guys my dress. How am I supposed to do this? I cannot even show you guys properly. This is what the dress looks like. It's very figure hugging, curve hugging. I just have on my little mules or slippers. Can you see the legs? Oh, why am I rubbing this in my mask? The legs. So yeah, we're about to go out now and I'm giving you guys cleavage and a little bit of fupa. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Now we're about to go out. We'll see you guys when we get there. Okay? Oh, this is so nice. Very nice. Because I did not come with my camera. Eh? You guys, we just go home. I am so tired. Like, I think I had too much wine. I'm tired, I'm tipsy. I just want to take off my makeup and sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye. Hey guys, so today is Sunday, and this weekend has been really like uneventful, so which is why I actually did not vlog anything because I've been at home doing nothing, absolutely nothing apart from watching TV and eating and sleeping and all that. So I'm going to end this vlog now and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Hopefully next week's vlog is going to be like more interesting because I have more stuff to do. So yeah.